अब मैं आपको MITS परिवार के उस सदस्य से मिलवाना चाहूँगा जिनमें एक चुंबकीय शक्ति है, मैग्नेटिक पावर। वो एक कैरिस्मेटिक पर्सनालिटी हैं, एक ओजस्वी वक्ता हैं। हमारे संस्थान के बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर के सदस्य हैं। वे उस क्लास को बिलोंग करते हैं जो कि लगभग सभी का एक सपना होता है, भारतीय प्रशासनिक सेवा IAS। कभी किसी बच्चे से जब हम पूछते हैं कि बेटे बड़े होके क्या बनोगे, वो कहता है कलेक्टर। किसी पिता से पूछते हैं अपने बच्चे को बड़े होके क्या बनाना चाहते हैं, कलेक्टर। कोई पद के लिए, कोई प्रतिष्ठा के लिए, कोई पावर के लिए, लेकिन कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो समाज को अपना कीमती समय देते हैं। समाज के प्रति उनका समर्पण किसी न किसी रूप में हमेशा बना रहता है। हमारे साथ ऐसे ही महान व्यक्तित्व बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर के सदस्य के रूप में उपस्थित हैं। पूर्व डायरेक्टर जनरल एकेडमी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन माननीय श्री प्रशांत मेहता जी। आइए सुनते हैं कि वो आपको क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं। माननीय प्रशांत मेहता सर।
The director of the institute, Dr. Pandit, our esteemed faculty, staff, and seniors, and all you wonderful new students to MITS. First of all, a hearty and warm welcome on behalf of the management and the board of MITS. And you yourself know that you are joining an institute in very strange times. In spite of the strange times, let me give you a very interesting figure. Out of the total 2,200 admissions in engineering colleges in the Gwalior region, 1,400 students have come to MITS. And there are 22 colleges which do not have a single student. So there is a very special reason why you are here. Because this has a wonderful history, a background. And recently when we had the Diamond Jubilee of the institute, we realized that the affection, the fondness, the love for the institute among the alumni was one of the finest that I have ever seen in any institute. So you are entering into the portals of learning which has a huge past to make your own future. As you know, the institute is run, our chairman is Jyotiraditya Scindia ji, and the Scindia family has always been very philanthropic in its dealings. There are very few examples where the ex-rulers have put their resources into education, irrigation, railway lines, postal services, hospitals. This is what the Scindia family has done. Whereas all other rulers were using their wealth to create more wealth, this family put in their resources to uplift all systems in and around Gwalior. And that is why all of you have come and joined this institute from various districts from far away. Now, how will you manage classes? So you know these are COVID times and difficult times. But the best of any person comes out during adversity. In fact, I hold throughout my life and career that anyone who converts inconvenience or adversity into opportunity is the person who will succeed in life. So whatever difficulty you find in these initial times, because we hope that in 6 months' time or a year's time, everything should normalize, you should have normal classes, you will be having fun and enjoying like all other first year students who newly joined college, and you are free from the school, from the uniform, from the discipline and all the fun that you have in college. That should come. That will come, if not in 6 months, it will come in 1 year. If not in 1 year, it will come in 1.5 years. So during the course of your stay in this institute, you will get to live the life. But be very, very careful, very, very cautious about this very dangerous COVID-19. So all instructions given to you by the director and the faculty, please follow scrupulously without any deviation, because that will help you lead a healthy life on the campus. Whether they ask you to put on a mask all the time, whether they ask you to keep a distance, you're lucky. We have large spaces, so you can sit 6 feet apart. And I don't know, I'll ask Director Saab whether you can hold Gurukul type classes in the lawns, which will be much safer than maybe classrooms. If that can happen, nothing like it. So you have even more interesting experience of learning, which nobody else has had in the last 63 years. Enjoy every moment of it, and then think of this opportunity. Each one of you think, can you link electrical engineering with health? Can you link mechanical engineering with health? Can you link robotics with health? Can you link chemical engineering with health? You can. So each one of you go look into this, and apart from your studies, do something in the town as social service till this pandemic disappears. And draw up a project where you think your study links to health or helps in maintaining a better health in society, especially for COVID-19. I am sure a lot of projects will come in, and we will give special prizes to those who come up with the best ideas in this regard. So enjoy your stay. It's a very difficult talking to you. I love giving lectures where I tell jokes and I tell anecdotes, and you have everybody laughing. But let me repeat what I tell every year, that you have come with a spark. The first year students come in with a spark of knowledge, a spark of existence, a spark, a light within you, which is not to be seen later in life. So keep that spark burning, the spark of learning, and the spark of coexistence, the spark of friendship, and the spark of doing something with your life. You will make it a huge success after passing through this institute, and we'll keep meeting once things stabilize. We will keep meeting. Thank you so much. All the very best, and I thank the parents for sending the students here. Enjoy your stay, and let's hope we get over this pandemic time as soon and as early as possible. Jai Hind.